So there's this bird that got into the hallway and
Let me get plastic.
is bleeding all over the place and is flying around. It's just over there. And made all these blood marks. We gotta get it close up. That's a bird. It's bleeding all over the place. See? Yeah, blood. You're so cute. Okay? So it's recovering, I think. Guys, it's recovering. It's recovering. I know, but it's recovering. Oh, it's talking to you, not me. So it's recovering. It's blood all over its brains. It's looking around the place, and there's blood everywhere. Ready, Nars? Oh. Oh. It's smearing blood. That's a poor bird. Nars, how you feel about this?
It's different.
Oh! He don't know how to fly. He's smashing his.
No, but he went over here now.
No, he's smashing his face against the wall.
Look, he's at the elevator.
Let me just call the elevator.
Now it's confused.
He's right
I
here.
don't want any of his blood to get on me. That's the only thing.
Look, he don't know how to fly.
Just grab him, just grab him. Just don't be scared. Just grab him, leave it.
Oh!
Oh, shit. We got that on you, Tristan. Come here.
He landed on me.
Yeah.
Oh, imagine. Yo. I would have felt it. Alright, you leaving, Dad?
Yeah, I gotta go run downstairs.
Dang.
Don't worry. I was about to say, don't worry if you grab him while they're going rough.
It's look.
Yeah.
He's gonna die eventually when he flies outside.
He's breathing heavy. Look, his mouth is open.
I know. Bye, Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, look, he just smashed his face on the wall
Oh,
again.
shit. Yeah. Keep trying, son. I gotta go downstairs. My door's open.
Okay. Come on.
Oh,
I'm not gonna try it.
you're just gonna leave him here? He's gonna die. He just flew into the window. The blood is on the fence thing. I don't know if that's blood or not. I could keep him cornered. Okay, hold on. So we got the blood on the bird. You can see right there. He's recovering. That's it. That's a fact. He's recovering. Come on, the knives. You're a grown man. Why do I always call you old man on the call? I know.
Right.
You're wise. Just grab him.
Slow, because I don't want him to think of a threat. See?
Good. He's not gonna go anywhere.
Fly.
Fly. Oh. Oh, look at his head. How beat up it is. Oh, he hit me. I don't get no blood on me though. There's feathers all over the place if you didn't know. He lost a lot of feathers in this. His tail is good. Oh, smile. Oh, no. There's blood on the walls. What are you doing? Oh, you don't know how to fly. This whole entire hallway is gonna be blood. It's gonna be way. Oh, he's in the incinerator now. Oh yeah, that's where I left the cables. So this is a good place because there's nowhere for him to run.
Oh.
Unless he just flies over us.
Come on. No.
Yep, as I just said, he's gonna fly over us. Don't drink some beer. Beer is bad for you.
Come on.
So how's your day coming back home to a almost dead bird?
Strange. Very strange.
Let me see. Should I just grab it? Should I be nice?
Yeah, I gotta be in the middle of gentle and rough.
Gentle or rough? That's just basically being rough. There's nowhere for him to go. Yeah, there's nowhere for him to go. I feel like you just snatch him up. Oh! Oh! It smashed his face.
I felt his little claw, and that's what made me hesitate. Yeah.
Time more. Time lapse.
Gotta get behind him, gotta sneak.
So let's just sneak. He can see us. Let's do. Gonna be into a real bloody. What happened here?
Oh, dude's dying.
I got another picture.
Try to distract him. Go like over there.
That's a good picture right there. And a picture of the little halfway dead bird. Hey, birdie. Oh! Smash into a wall. Right there. We're trying to recover you. We're trying to help you. Fly out the 30-story building. I'm gonna blur all these numbers. Hi, sweet bird. No, don't look over here. Look over here. Tweet, tweet. You're making me have some great angles, bro. Who's a good buddy? Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Should I grab him from behind? No, obviously not. I have bare hands. Oh. Oh, smash into the wall. Oh, feathers and blood caught up into one place. Yeah, he's trapped now. He has nowhere to go. Alright, tweet, tweet. I'm gonna call you Tweet. Alright? It's time lapse. Oh, that's bad. That one was bad. These guys are climbing while we're trying to save a bird. This one's over here.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, don't have it. Oh, there's blood on the door. Why the blood on the door?
Facing me, so it's harder to.
Say, you want to put it?
No, don't put the flash on. I think that'll make me.
Yeah.
I almost want him to fly away from this. It's okay, my friend. Okay. Okay, my friend.
It's okay, we will save you. Don't hop away. Oh, yeah, I knew it. He's going back and forth in the holes. I see you. We're still trying to save him.
That version.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna use it to like block him. Cardboard to block him.
Like if he flies up?
Yeah, if he flies up, I'm gonna be like you
No,
know.
don't slap it.
I'm not gonna smack it. Why would I smack it? It's a halfway dead bird. Why would I end it?
Damn, don't say that's not good, bro.
I know, me too.
Shit, I'm done. Okay.
We're trying to
I have a
recover.
feeling Tristan's gonna freaking.
I'm not gonna smash it. I'm just gonna be like
Just
that.
grab it, don't worry. Fuck.
See? Look at that. I love you, Dad. Go back to. Go back inside.
Too, but you know.
Dad, look all these blood marks on the wall, on the ceiling. It's on. I think it's not on our door yet. It's on the elevator door. It's on someone's door. Look, black. You know, different
The
varieties.
anticipation of that shit like flying in my face just looks like making me.
I know, yeah, I know.
Oh, I didn't even see it. I thought it was over there. There's blood on this dude's door.
Let me see. Should I throw like some bread on the floor?
Like so he can eat,
Try to lure it in.
and then we can just trap it. I'm not gonna do that. How about you? Never mind. How about you like, you know how like garbage bag's supposed to go? Like turn it around and then, like you know how you,
Put it inside the garbage.
yeah, and then there's already a hole in there. There's already a couple holes in there so you can breathe. And I can just block it.
Try to throw it over him, right?
Yeah, just like gently though. Because it's a paper bag that's gonna.
Let me try it this way because I'm gonna
Yeah.
need something to hold on to.
Yeah, there's a hole right there. Yeah. Hey, birdie! And it flew away. Oh,
Jill flew right by him.
give us something to breathe in.
Alright.
To see what Dad has to do. You made a mistake.
I don't want that.
Come on, Dad. What is that? Seeds? Granola
Just only
stuff?
throw a little bit. It's not like too much.
Yeah, you just throwing
I'm not
food.
even gonna throw it, I'm gonna just.
Like, try to feed it.
Put it over here. Yeah.
It's so rough with it, though. No, put it in here. Look, cause I have. Look, it's visible. It's visible though. You know. He doesn't know what's in there because it's blocked off.
I could probably smell it.
Smell it.
Maybe just go a little bit closer.
Look, this is what's supposed to happen.
I don't think
Look,
it's gonna start eating it unless he's closer.
look, put it right here. Bye, Dad. See you later. Meow.
Where'd it go?
It's right over there. So we're just gonna leave it here? Get a basket. See what we have to say.
See what we can do.
Keep on the boys on the camera.
Slowly.
I smell granola.
You gonna start eating the
Good?
shit more?
I
No.
think so.
I don't think he even wants food.
Yeah, I think he's just too paralyzed.
Yeah, he's too like, you know.
Too like out of it. It's like I want to go home. I'm bleeding. I want to eat right now.
Doesn't know which way is out.
Yeah, it's just standing there. No, it's not eating. It's just he's just in the moment. Like I'm bleeding. I don't know where to do. I don't know where to go. What choice home? I'm in a 30 store. I'm in a 30 whatever. There it is. There it is. There it is. Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully it flew out the window.
Nope.
No. Look at all these letters around the face.
Out there on the rate. Can you feel the wind?
Yeah, jump over there, jump over there. Yeah, jump over there. Yeah.
Oh, fly over there. Yes, up there, yes. True. The other way. So you never see it now. Stinks. It's just bashed his head against the wall. There's no escape. Go back inside. Go back inside. I love you guys.
Throw that in the incinerator.
Alright. Wait, we're just gonna let the bird die? Nah, we can't do that.
So
fam.
hopefully somebody that's not scared to grab one.
Let me
I just
do
don't
it.
want to grab one. Where is it?
It's over there. Here.
Listen, I'm scared that you're gonna kill it. Huh?
I'm sure it's gonna turn red. Okay, that's disgusting. It's flying kind of low there.
Yo, come on, that's it. He's getting tired. I'm not trying to kill it. Come on. Come on, come on.
End it.